If you're over 60, you've probably noticed something subtle but unsettling. Your vision doesn't feel as sharp at night, or you sometimes walk into a room and forget why you went there in the first place. Maybe you've brushed it off as just aging, something you're supposed to accept quietly. But what if I told you that, every single night, your brain and eyes are begging for the right nourishment, and that just a small, natural change could help restore clarity, focus, and even memory far more quickly than you might expect? Today, we're talking about 4 simple juices, real, whole food blends, that work overnight to support sharper eyesight and a clearer mind. And even if you've tried things before, stay with me, because these are not the typical supermarket juices most people think of. These are targeted, nutrient-dense combinations backed by decades of research on aging, brain repair, and ocular health. Before we dive in, take a moment to like this video if you believe your health is worth investing in. It helps this channel reach more seniors who deserve the truth. Now, I want you to imagine something for a moment. Picture waking up tomorrow and feeling just a bit more alert than usual. Not dramatically different, just a little more you. Your vision feels steadier, your thoughts come a little faster, and that fog that's been hanging around your morning starts to lift. That feeling isn't magic. It's biology responding to nourishment it didn't know it was missing. I've seen this happen with older adults countless times, from retired teachers to grandmothers raising grandchildren. When they feed their eyes and brain the right combinations, their body begins to respond almost immediately, and in ways that feel almost surprising. I remember a retired bus driver named Henry who once told me he spent years thinking his memory lapses were a sign of something serious. He lived with quiet fear, until one day a friend encouraged him to try a simple, consistent nutrition routine. Within weeks, Henry noticed he wasn't losing his train of thought as often. He wasn't misplacing his glasses. His confidence came back. "I didn't realize how much food affected my brain," he said. And that's the heart of today's message. The right nutrients, taken at the right time, can dramatically influence how your brain restores itself during sleep and how your eyes repair microscopic damage caused by aging and stress. You see, after age 60, 2 processes begin to slow down dramatically: blood flow to the eyes and the communication between neurons in the brain. It's like the wiring inside an old house, still functional, but in need of better support. The juices we'll talk about today are designed to improve exactly those 2 things. They help nourish the tiny capillaries that feed the retina, and they support memory-forming cells in the hippocampus. These aren't miracle cures, but they're powerful tools that have helped seniors regain steadiness, clarity, and peace of mind. Before I reveal the first juice, I want you to understand something deeply important. Your eyes and brain are not failing you. They're simply waiting for you to give them what they need. Many older adults spend years believing decline is permanent, but neuroscientists and ophthalmologists now know otherwise. Your brain continues producing new neural connections even at 70, 80, and beyond. Your eyes continue repairing oxidative damage every single night. You are not too old. You're right on time. The first juice we'll talk about may surprise you, because it seems almost too simple: carrot ginger blend with fresh lemon. But don't let its simplicity fool you. This combination is exceptionally powerful for seniors. Carrots, rich in beta-carotene, convert into vitamin A, the exact nutrient your retinas rely on for night vision. Ginger increases blood flow, helping deliver those nutrients more efficiently. And lemon supplies antioxidants that protect eye tissues from damage. It's a trifecta of vision support. What makes this special for older adults is how quickly the body absorbs these nutrients when taken in liquid form, especially in the evening when your eyes enter their natural repair cycle. I once met a 72-year-old woman named Margaret who said she struggled driving after dusk for nearly a decade. She began drinking a small glass of this juice every night before dinner. Within a couple of weeks, she said she felt less strain in her eyes and more confidence walking around her house at night. She joked that she didn't feel like she was guessing at shadows anymore. It wasn't a miracle. It was nutrition finally reaching the parts of her eyes that had been starving for support. But vision is only half the story here. The second juice, one we'll discuss in the next part, supports memory, focus, and overnight brain cleansing. Scientists call this process lymphatic drainage, but you don't need the scientific term to understand its importance. Think of it like housekeeping for your brain. When you sleep, your brain clears out waste, plaques, and toxins that build up during the day. The problem is that after 60, this nightly cleaning becomes slower. It's like trying to sweep a room with a worn-out broom. The nutrients in the next juice are known to sharpen this process, almost like giving your brain a stronger broom and a brighter light. As we move into the next section, I want you to keep one thing in mind: every small choice you make today influences your health tomorrow. You don't need expensive supplements or complicated routines. You just need consistency, nourishment, and the willingness to care for yourself the way you deserve. And I promise, you deserve this level of care. You've spent decades giving your time and energy to other people. Now it's time to give some of that back to your own body. If you're ready, we'll explore a juice that has helped many older adults regain mental clarity they thought was lost for good. And don't worry, every ingredient is natural, affordable, and easy to find. The second juice on our list is one I've recommended for years, especially to seniors who say they feel mentally slower than they used to. It's a simple mixture of blueberries, beetroot, and a touch of mint. Now, this might sound like an unusual combination, but the effect it has on an aging brain can be surprisingly powerful. Blueberries contain anthocyanins, deep purple pigments known to support memory, learning, and neuron communication. Beetroot increases nitric oxide production, which helps widen blood vessels and improve blood flow to the brain. And mint offers a calming aroma that can help ease stress and support clearer thinking. It's a blend that works both physically and emotionally, which is incredibly important for seniors facing the daily pressure of maintaining independence. I once spoke with a retired postmaster named Linda. She told me she'd begun mixing this juice every night simply because she liked the taste. But something unexpected happened. About 2 weeks in, she noticed she wasn't losing her words during conversations anymore. She felt quicker, more responsive, even a bit more confident when speaking with her grandkids. "It's like someone dusted off the shelves in my brain," she said with a laugh. And that's exactly what this combination can do. Beetroot improves circulation to the brain, blueberries help strengthen the cells that handle learning and memory, and together they support that overnight cleansing process your brain relies on. This might remind you of something you've heard before, perhaps a line from a lecture or even a book that stuck with you during a quiet moment. Many years ago, a neurological researcher explained it in a way I never forgot. He said, "The brain is the only organ that talks to you when it's hungry. That foggy feeling, that forgetfulness, that heaviness in your thinking, it's often just your brain whispering that it needs nourishment. And if you learn to listen to that whisper, you can often change how you think and feel in ways that surprise you." Now, let's move to the third juice, one that focuses mainly on nighttime vision and eye repair. This is a blend of spinach, green apple, and a few soaked almonds. Spinach contains lutein and zeaxanthin, two critical nutrients that support the macula, the part of your eye responsible for central vision. Green apple adds quercetin, which helps calm inflammation inside the eye, and almonds provide healthy fats that help your body absorb all those nutrients more effectively. Many seniors don't realize this, but the eyes are incredibly sensitive to inflammation. Even low levels can make your vision blurry, especially at night. I remember a man named Peter, a gentle soul in his late 60s who loved spending evenings reading mystery novels. But over time, he found himself struggling to focus on the words. He tried eyeglasses, stronger lighting, everything he could think of. Nothing made a difference. It wasn't until he started incorporating this juice into his nightly routine that things began to shift. After a couple of weeks, he noticed he could read a little longer without strain. He told me it felt like the static in his eyes had calmed down. When I explained to him that spinach delivers nutrients directly to the macula, he smiled and said, "I guess my eyes were hungrier than I realized." And that's a message so many older adults never hear. Your eyes are living tissue. They respond to food. They respond to care. They respond to nourishment. You don't have to accept the idea that decline is inevitable. You can support your vision at any age, and the body will do the rest. Now let's talk about the fourth and final juice, one many seniors say is the most comforting of all. It's a warm blend, perfect before bed, made from tart cherries and a small piece of turmeric root. Tart cherries contain natural melatonin, which supports deeper sleep, a crucial time when both the brain and eyes repair themselves. Turmeric, with its active compound curcumin, helps reduce inflammation, improve circulation, and support cognitive health. When you combine these two, you create a soothing drink that encourages the body to enter a deeper, more restorative sleep cycle. Sleep is something that often becomes more difficult with age. Many people over 60 struggle with restless nights, early waking, or light sleep that leaves them feeling drained. But deep sleep is where much of the brain's repair process happens. It's where the eyes recover from daily strain. It's where memories are organized and stored. So when you support sleep, you're not just helping yourself rest, you're helping your brain and eyes rebuild themselves overnight. I once worked with a retired couple, Tom and Valerie, who had spent years struggling with sleep. They tried everything, soothing music, breathing exercises, herbal teas. But it wasn't until they began drinking this warm tart cherry and turmeric blend that something finally shifted. Valerie told me, "I didn't expect much, but after 4 nights, I felt like someone had finally hit the reset button." She woke up clearer, calmer, and far less forgetful. Tom said he felt more grounded throughout the day, like his mind wasn't scattered in pieces anymore. And that's the power of supporting your overnight restoration. So, now you know the 4 juices: the carrot ginger lemon blend for sharper vision, the blueberry beet mint blend for clearer thinking, the spinach apple almond blend for macular support, and the tart cherry turmeric blend for deep, healing sleep. Each one plays a different role, and together they create a nightly nourishment routine that helps your body do what it naturally wants to do: repair, restore, and rejuvenate. But here's the truth, and it's something many seniors overlook. These juices work best not because of what they are, but because of what they replace. When you drink these blends, especially at night, you're replacing late-night snacks that spike your blood sugar. You're replacing habits that disrupt sleep. You're adding hydration, antioxidants, circulation boosters, and anti-inflammatory compounds that aging bodies desperately need. Think of it like this: your body is a garden. And like any garden, it flourishes when the soil is rich and cared for. When you give it the right nourishment at the right time, it responds beautifully. The fog lifts. The heaviness fades. The senses sharpen. The days feel a little brighter. And if you're listening to this right now thinking, "Is it too late for me?" let me reassure you. I have worked with seniors in their 60s, 70s, 80s, and even their 90s, and the results are always the same: the body responds to nourishment no matter how old it is. You don't need to get everything perfect. You don't need to overhaul your entire diet. You just need small, intentional steps, like a nightly juice that supports the repair process your body is already trying to do. If you've made it this far, give yourself credit. You care about your health, and that alone is powerful. Your eyes and brain are not failing you, they're simply waiting for better support. And these 4 juices can help provide it. Start with 1. See how your body feels. Pay attention to the small shifts. And trust that you have more control over your clarity, your memory, and your vision than you may realize. Thank you for being here, and remember, you deserve to wake up tomorrow feeling clearer, steadier, and more alive than you do today.